This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. In our previous video, we showed you how to create a vendor claim request so we can recover costs caused by the vendor or the mill on the product. This particular client also has plants that do some of the processing, and sometimes they cause an issue. It's more of an internal cost if that happens, and some of those people also use this system, but they only need access to the plant claim requests, so it's important to keep those separate. Lastly, the information that we gather is completely different than what we need on a vendor claim, but the process is similar. Just click here and select New Plant Claim Request. Select the plant, the items, and OK. You'll get a new plant claim request with a number and much less information than you have on a vendor claim request, but you fill it in just as easily. And just like in a vendor claim request, we can edit the items down below and fill those in just as easily. And then hit save when you're done. And similar to a vendor claim request, you can print a document out with one click up here and click on the plant claim request. And there it is, a simple claim request to the plant with a row for each item. And then save and close. Now you have a plant claim request in the list, and then if we go back to the case detail tab, you'll see the plant claim amount and all the calculations automatically. If you'd like our help with your customer service needs, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.